Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2019 Kawasaki Z900. This naked style bike has just under 7,500 miles on it and will be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Front tire on this bike, low tread, really should be replaced. They've added adjustable levers to it. This bike has been tipped over on the right hand side. You can see it on the end of the lever, end of the bar end, back of the mirror, and engine cover. They've added a tank pad to it, as well as a Delcovic pipe. Stand spools as well, and a fender eliminator. Back tire, also in the same condition, needs to be replaced. Looks like this bike was pretty much ridden just about straight up and down all the time. And again, stand spools, tank pad, and adjustable levers. And as you can see, this bike does come with ABS. $74.32 is what's on it. This 2019 Kawasaki Z900 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it'll be going through a 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.